Very good morning to all. I am Karthikeyan, MAM School of Engineering, Tiruchirappalli. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, Unit 3 Routing. Already in previous videos, we have to discuss the different types of routing techniques and routing algorithms are studied. Now, here in this presentation, we are going to study the extension header. So in this extension header is fixed at 40 layers, and then it is a hop by hop option, that is a process to process, and source routing techniques are followed, and fragmentation access the routing techniques, and authentication encrypted security payload options are here, and then finally destination options are there. So what are the destination options? So to keep the message in the received path, it will be secured in the shortest path durations in the each individual node. So these extension header are used to the IPv6 or IPv4 to enable the hop to hop functionality in the communication network medium. Now we have to study the transition from IPv4 to IPv6. In this dual stack tunneling header translation, that is a dual stack tunneling header translation, these three techniques are followed or differ from IPv4 to IPv6. What are the dual stack? In dual stack, the IPv4 and IPv6 applications is controlled to the Ethernet to any other transmission control protocol or UDP protocol to using the combined merged IPv4 or IPv6. This is a dual stack protocol methodology. So each individual source and destination point to using these control protocol to unicast or broadcast or multicast techniques, the data to be sent to the destination side free of delivery of error detection and correction capability is occurred. Now the second one is a transition of IPv4 and IPv6. The second is a tunneling. So in the tunneling, in IPv6 header and IPv6 data, the IPv6 network, that is a one host, we are using the IPv6 communication network, and another destination side IPv6 host is a destination point. Both network is used in the IPv6 version of the protocol. So the header and data will be IPv6 header and IPv6 data. So the intersection of the routing section, the node will be find out the dual stack router options. The IPv4 network is a IPv router section is a combination of header IPv4 header and IPv6 header, but only the data is a IPv6 data is passes through to the source side to destination side, because we are using the source destination or source point or destination point using the only for IPv6 protocol. So IPv6 version protocol or the data is combined or through the source to destination in the dual stack router. The tunneling with the help of the network in the IPv6 over IPv4 tunneling methodology in the destination point. Now we have to study the header translation. So finally, the translation of IPv4 to IPv6, the header translation is one of the best method. The IPv6 is a host, IPv4 is another destination point. The source to destination point, the payload of data will be changed in the routing session. It is a header translation. The IPv6 region are used to hold the data and to convert the IPv4 version protocol. In the header translation is very important to help the data link layer to change the data recovery or data to be duplicate or data to the error-free communication to the IPv4 destination point. Now in this lecture we have to study the extension header. What are the extension header in the routing session, and transition from IPv4 to IPv6 protocols, and what are the different types of dual stack tunneling and header translations. Thank you for watching this video.